Alright guys, we're here in Ballyhide I'm going to turn the camera a small bit at the Causway Christmas light tractor run. I'm not exactly too sure of the money, but it's going to, is it to enable farmers? I kind of forget, to be honest, but it's to a charity for it helps families that were involved in farm accidents. Nice masses. It helped families that were involved in those farm accidents and farm bereavements. I was actually looking it up there before the tractors arrived. I'm going to wipe the camera, lads. There's somewhere in the region of 4,500 farm accidents every year. Nice, Sammy. T7. Starting to slow down now, they're starting to back up. Case, big ball of a case. Four and a half thousand farm accidents every year. Probably one of the most dangerous professions on the market. I know that setter was in the stall. Another T7. T7030. What a turnout, lads. What an absolute centy on the loader. Another case. Or Massey, sorry. Massey Ferguson, of course, 175 years last year. Start to the course by Massey Harris. Massey Harris 176 years ago this year, I suppose. Another Massey. There's some line of stuff coming, lads. Valtra, John Deere, New Holland. What's this fella, lads? Northern Shovel. Yeah. That's some baller lights. Senti on the back of it. Oh. The 210, what a rattle off that jug. McCormick. Nice case. JCB went up there a while ago. I think JCB are 70 years this year. JCB apparently started out making, I think there was trailers and stuff out of surplus World War II equipment. New Holland. John Deere. John Deere started out with a plough. The first plough he made, I think, was out of a broken spring. Ferguson, Harry Ferguson, the first man to fly a plane in Ireland. That's his big M. Big M1. Harry Ferguson was the first man to fly a plane in Ireland. I think the prize money was £500, and that's how he started up his tractor business. For the hitch cutter, McConnell hitch cutter. New Holland T7185 fusion baler, cheap, blowing out snow. Fantastic. Now guys, that is kind of it. Absolutely well done to everyone involved. Absolutely brilliant, fantastic to everyone involved. There's another one coming, so we're going to turn it again. We have a couple of late stragglers. But that's it. I look like a convict. Give a like, give a subscribe. We have a very nice video Friday. I was in a garage in Galway yesterday, which was Saturday, and I'm gonna put that on Friday evening at 5:30. So if you haven't already, give a like, give a subscribe, and look out for that. We have a good couple of tractor garage videos coming up. So if you want to see what's in a couple of tractor garages throughout the country, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, thank you, and well done to everyone involved.